Sarah here with Martin Motorsports. Today we're going to be talking about the Foilboards. We carry two brands, Phase 5 and Hyperlite. I am here with the UTE board from Hyperlite. UTE stands for utility board. It's pretty unique in itself. So it comes with the foot straps as well as the foil, and then it actually has fins that you can mount underneath. So you can use it as a surfboard or as a foil. The foils in general are just a really different experience. You're more or less flying up and down, flying above the waves instead of essentially just riding on it. You can get the foils in numerous different sizes depending on your advancement. So with the foil boards, you can either foil behind the boat holding onto the rope, or once you get better at it, you can actually start off the dock and just pump around the lake. No need for a boat or holding onto a rope. Come check us out, Martin Motorsports, at any of our 5 locations.